What is up, YouTube? It's Lex. We're going on a mini vacation to Indiana, and I am just finishing up the last of our packing. I'm also cooking some meals for the road. Our flight doesn't leave until 7:15, I think, and it's only 4. So we're gonna head out to the airport in about an hour and a half. We are going to Indiana because we are going to the Indy 500, which I am so excited about. We have been wanting to go for a really long time, and our friends have been inviting us. And so this is the perfect opportunity. Our friends are making this trip really easy for us. You know, like we're staying with them so we can cook and, train, and it's going to be super easy. And she's also a bodybuilder, the wife, and her husband's amazing and he can cook. So I'm excited to kind of eat a little bit, but everything prep wise is going to be taken care of in terms of we're going to make sure Sage, gets his sleep. Sage trains, he does his cardio, he has his meals. So everything's gonna be real smooth, and we're gonna kind of take you along on the fun aspect of, how to travel on prep. Once we get there, I will show you guys, Sage and I will show you a little bit about like what we packed in terms of like his supplements and, his training stuff and, his sleeping steps. And we'll kind of talk a little bit about that. So I'm excited to take you guys along with us on this travel and to the Indy 500. Catch you in Indy. Tell him again.
Going to the Indy 500.
I got it.
Take a drink. What is going on, guys? We are here in Fishers, Indiana. Just getting some cardio in right now. We were planning to kind of show you guys last night when we got settled in where we were, what we were doing, but our flight just got delayed, so we were at the airport for like 4 or 5 hours. We didn't leave until about like 9-10 o'clock, so we didn't get to Indiana until 2 a.m. So we figured instead of filming, we're just too tired, just go to sleep, get up, get this cardio going, and then just start talking from here. But yeah, again, we're at cardio. We're here with our friends, Jamie and Neil. Shout out to the Lauris. Business as usual right now. We're gonna take care of what we usually do, our normal routine, and after that, enjoy a little bit of Indiana, enjoy this weekend with them, and then show you a little bit of that. Hey, buddy. Okay, so right before we just got back from the gym, took care of our morning cardio. I wanted to show you guys this last night, but ran out of time, so I'm just kind of showing you guys now before I get breakfast started. Just how easy it is to honestly travel, because I deal with this all the time with my clients, or just if you're a bodybuilder in general and you struggle to do this, it's not really that hard if you make the effort and time to bring everything you need to just stay on point. So if you see here, like I have everything individually separated for my vitamins, everything I need to take for the day. All my intra-workout carbs, I think my creatine's in here, my electrolytes in here. I labeled it so that I have it ready for the 3 workout days I have. And then on my off days, the powders I do need for those days as well. Just individually packed, everything labeled, just so it's easy to reach. I know what to do. Cream rice, protein powder for about 4 or 5 days. And then, thankfully enough, our friends here, they did some grocery shopping for us. So they got us all our proteins, they got us our rice. So thankfully that made it easier for us. But typically, what I would typically do is I would make my travel day meals, so at least when I'm on the go, I don't have to worry about getting any food. I have everything on me. And then once I get settled into where I'm staying, hotel, Airbnb, I go grocery shop, Instacart, whatever it may be that's easily accessible, get everything I need, and then cook what I need. And again, it's not impossible, it's not hard. It is just really about making the extra time and effort to do those things, which most people don't want to do, right? So yeah, got everything all set up here. I'm about to get my first meal in for the day. Probably because of today's schedule, we're gonna do like 3 meals and then go train at this pretty cool gym that they have in Indiana that I've been waiting to check out. So excited to do that. Actually works out that I have a couple clients who are competing in the next, one's competing in 2 weeks, one's competing in 4 weeks. They're both here in Indiana. So if our schedules align, which I think they should, I'm gonna go see them today, pose them, see how they look in person, which is just a perfect timing for me to just be able to be out here and then seeing them before their shows. And guys, like biggest thing that I also want to point out, when you're traveling, trying to stay on prep, or trying to stay on point with prep, or just trying to stay on plan in general, you just kind of want to make your routine as similar as possible to what you do back home. Like it's not going to be the exact same thing, but if you can kind of pinpoint your timing to be in a similar fashion, when you eat your meals, when you train, it makes everything a little bit more seamless. So when you go back home, it doesn't feel like you're out of whack. Your body kind of feels like it's in the same routine and pattern, and things just become a lot smoother. So again, obviously not gonna be the same exact thing as the home routine, but you just wanna try to replicate it as much as possible when you're traveling. And if you can't do it, just stay your ass at home.
What's up, YouTube? We are here at AMF in Indy. This is their, I guess you consider like their bodybuilding.
Yeah, so this is Nathan Epler's gym. So shout out to him, American Muscle Factory. We did a little walk around. Really good gym already, so I'm excited to play with some new toys and get this workout in.
Sage is doing delts, and I'm going to be doing back with his clients Jamie and Jenny. And yeah, we'll just show you some clips from training today. I'll show you a little bit around, but it's got a good vibe so far, so I'm excited.
Yeah, so let's get it. Time to get it.
I will.
Ready, stay, right, wait, not yet.
Woo! Oh, look, the woman herself. Woo! Say hi. Carb day. So this is the day, it's very loud, where we get to see the track, we get to go in the pit, we get to meet the drivers, we get to go on the floor. I'm so excited.
Is that Call of Duty?
They're probably checking. Jamie, cheers, my love.
And then I'll go right back to this.
Chef of the day.
What are you nervous about?
You mean this thing takes propane? Somebody propane over here.
Oh my god, it's so good. Hey, 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 hey! Ow! Ow, walking.
Watch out! Get out of the way!
Baby, go in, go in, go in, go in. I'll go in after. Ow! Say cheeseburger!
Oh my god.